My name is little fella. Do I know you?
What do you mean you can know me?
Why you hollering out me name?
Tell it says a stush place. Oliver, look at everybody dressed up in a formal dress and jacket. Me not feel right.
Not everybody, man. See a man over there wearing a t-shirt.
With a map in him hand. Him work here. Oliver, me tell you, you should make me put on something more formal than this, you know. Me feel out of place.
Well, we're there already. So we might as well hold our seat. We're going to go late for the movies, you know.
Oliver, why everybody staring?
Because you stand up at the people in restaurant door and a pulp out your eye like somebody hypnotize you.
No, but I feel shame. Put your shirt in, Oliver.
That is why I never want to carry you come here, you know. You're going to embarrass me in front of my friends, them.
You have friends in here?
They know that I say it here regular. Hi, Ralph. How is life? Good.
Who you talking to?
No, Ralph.
So how come you don't hear nobody answer?
Him not him head, man. You expect him to talk with food in his mouth? And listen, Mary, I only hope you know etiquette and proper table manners and them things there.
Well, I never seen nobody nod him yet.
Him not him head fast, man, all right?
But I was looking and I never see when...
Just come and go find a seat now, man, and stop cross questioning.
Oliver, I look all right?
You look trash.
You got good to put on your heels, eh?
And then why we so late? Because when you put on them things, you walk and wobble like you walk on tightrope.
Oliver, I don't feel comfortable.
Mary, stop your ignorance, you know, man. You're going to make people know it's the first time you're coming into an ornamental restaurant.
It's not the first time I'm coming into an oriental restaurant. It's just because you never tell me that the place was formal and I feel cute.
You know, the last thing my mother told me before she passed away. Oliver, never you pick up a ignorant woman, because those types always hold you back in life.
Well, and so you're called ignorant. I am not ignorant. It's 4 JC subject matter.
But we well know that the computer did make a mistake.
The computer never made a mistake.
Mary, the computer no must make a mistake. You take 2 subjects and pass 4.
Listen, if you care milk, insult me, you know. Don't
all right,
bother
nobody
with it, you know.
Nobody will. Come go find us. See one nice table over there, so come.
Hey, hold on, the walk so fast and left me, man. You know, some of the balance too good on the heel.
Just
hold on, now.
Come, man.
What?
Come, hold on. Sit down and stop behaving like you're an idiot, no? The chairs them comfortably, and I just love the decors. And the furnitures, they are so lovely.
Oliver.
But look, it's cold doing.
Those 2 men over there staring at us.
Look here, I wonder why they have so much candle on the dining table them doing. They must expect power cut.
Look, and the point is, oh, maybe you should take off your hat.
Take off my hat, so what? Don't you know, so me have a touch of the flu. Me don't want to expose my mouth to the air conditioning.
I know what them talking about, you know. I know what them talking about.
Mary, stop going on like you're an idiot, no man. That's why my mother always warned me about me, you know.
There's a sign that says, wait to be seated.
Wait to be seated for what? After we no handicap.
So why I'm coming over here, eh? Why?
Oh, is the waiter. Him coming to take the order. Listen, Mary, just relax. And may I beg you, please don't order nothing that you can't pronounce to expose your upbringing and them things.
I'm nervous.
And watch your English.
Listen, where's the ladies' room?
No, man. It don't work like that here. Ladies, gentlemen, children, everybody sit together.
No, but I want to...
The waiter coming. Look here now. Make me do the talking. And please, try for once to act sensible.
Good evening, madam. Sir?
A very pleasant how they do to you, sir. And look here now, please, May I beg you to serve us quick with expedition, you see? Because we have to eat and then we have to catch a movie that starts 7:30 and we don't want to be late.
Excuse me, sir.
And look here, no, man. You can't turn down the temperature in this place, no? The cold here make me cough.
I'm sorry we can't do that, sir. Do you have reservations?
Same thing.
No. But me never know, so we have to reserve food.
We're very busy at this time of the year, so we go strictly by reservations.
But that don't affect regular customers.
You, a regular customer?
God, this is so embarrassing.
The couple that reserved this table are here now, sir. If you would kindly wait by the door, we'll have another table ready for you in about an hour.
Oliver, just not just take the time and get out now.
That couple just come. We was here before them.
They made reservations. You won't be the only ones waiting. There are others.
I know I should have followed my mind.
Me not get up, you know? I'm sorry.
Sir, please.
People looking over here, Oliver.
We won't want this to get any uglier, would we?
If anybody are ugly top of you, make us a good look and feel.
Look, just make we don't create a scene, all right?
I'm not getting up vagina line for no food. What you think I is? A prisoner?
But you don't have reservations, sir.
Don't tell me about no blooming reservations, man. What do you think this is? A restaurant or a airline?
You're raising your voice, sir.
You don't hear nothing yet. Mary, I wonder if these people in here know about the teenage and rotary we catching at the fried rice last week, eh?
That's not true.
Well, let's see if these people in here will believe me.
Wait, sir.
Ladies and gentlemen.
Sit down. I'll see what I can do.
Harry, you see, I'm counting and change when me tell him about the teenager road. I wonder if him don't know, say, me and the owner son. Charlie Pig. Me and that man usually have some good times together when we was boy. Pingy me boy.
How come I don't know this pingy?
It's not everybody I know you know. Sometimes you want to fool, man. I feel to introduce you to my important people then. Wait, see the waiter coming back, yeah? Everything okay?
Yes, we managed to work something out.
That was quick. The manager around?
No?
My very good friend, you know.
Yes?
Yes, man. Me and him go to school together.
Really? You went to school with him in China?
Just bring the price list ready for order.
List? What list?
The price list.
Oh, menu.
You knew. That is why I never realized when we come on a regular man. Just bring me the list, yeah, I want order.
Here you are, sir. The menu.
Wait, we want to order promptly because we have to go to a movie afterwards.
A waiter will be right over to take your order. Waiter!
So what you is?
It's serve them don't want to serve us.
Maitre d'.
Oh, you's Maitre D. Delighted to meet you. I am Oliver A. and this is Mary P.
I'm delighted.
But I mean, what you work here as?
Maitre d'. That's my title. Head waiter.
I tell you, him is a waiter. It's serve them don't want serve because we look so.
Please to speak for yourself. I don't know about you, but I don't look nowhere. So, you're the kind of waiter boss around here.
It's something like that. Here is your waiter.
Good evening, madam, sir. Can I get you something from the bar?
No, we don't want anything from the bar. Give us something from the kitchen.
I'll
We're not
have
kind
a drink, please.
But Marie, man, you know, so we're going to be late for the movie.
Yes, but if we're going to celebrate my birthday, we might as well do it in fine style. Look, we can go to a movie anytime.
True. Only once a year. Oh, God.
So, what are we going to have to drink?
Something strong.
Oliver, strong? But you know, sir, if you smell anything strong, you start to be stupid.
But this is a special occasion, Marie. It calls for something strong and different. What do you recommend?
Would you like to try the knockout punch?
That sounds different. Yes, I will try that.
Irish cream for me, please.
No, Marie. Make the cream stay till after dinner. That's dessert. Last time I think we'll get no better than that.
Not ice cream, Oliver. An Irish cream is a drink. Make like a double.
Well, make mine's a triple.
Double Irish cream and triple knockout punch.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
How much for the cream thing?
$20.
It's not the whole case you want.
Well, you can't afford it.
Why not the rent? Bring her anything she wants, whatever the cost.
Yes, boss.
Marie, it's who carry out and order them the quality drinks there.
She said, I can't buy it for myself.
It's expensive, bad.
I work here.
I know. But it's who offer you them drinks there? How you come